Yo, before we get on into the video, what I need from you guys, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. What it does, it helps the channel grow. What I can promise you, by subscribing to this channel, you're going to get 1 to 10 videos a day. It might be 7, it might be 3, it might be 1, it might be 10. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So the title of the video is how to make a long distance relationship work. Fellas and women, listen to me and listen to me clear. When you thinking about getting into a long-term relationship, period, it comes with its difficulties. But when you talking about long distance, that's a whole nother ball game. The reason why is because it's like it's not real. You don't get a chance to see that person day to day. You don't get a chance to be able to vibe with that person, be able to be around that person's energy. You don't see how they flow, none of that. You pretty much just see an illusion of what you want to see when you're dealing with that person. And I know y'all probably be like, okay, so how you know this? The reason why I know is because I believe I done been in like 2, maybe 3. And that was crazy. Like, I would advise any man or any woman who is trying to get focused, who is trying to like cut off all the distractions, to try a long distance relationship, but also have your goals in line on what you want. Because I guess when you do see somebody, it comes with its, negatives also. You stop being as focused. So that's the number one, that's one thing that long distance relationships, they give you. It give you a little freedom to do what you want, but also be focused on the task at hand, whatever that might be. But in my honest opinion, the way that you make them work as far as a long distance relationship is y'all both got to pretty much be on the same page. And I got to throw this out there. If y'all not trying to move together or get together within the 6 months, 6 to 12 months, then there's no purpose even trying it, truthfully. If you're going to get in a long distance relationship and the goal is not to move in with one another or be close to, somebody got to move. Somebody got to move. I don't know who it might be. It might be the man, it might be the woman. To me, I will always encourage the woman to move towards you, because if you as a man move towards her, you better make sure you got some stuff together. That's all I can say on that. But long distance relationships, they can work, but they just require so much it's just the little things, because you don't know what that person is doing on the day to day. You really don't. And honestly, some people be in long distance relationships and don't even know, but we ain't even gonna talk about that. But anyways, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, give me a little input. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know what y'all want me to talk about or discuss. Again, this is D Low Key. This is the D Low Key podcast. I'm out.